All right, it's Cyber Monday. You know we're going big here at ukelikethepros.com. I got a special offer for you, 24 hours only to take advantage of this, only during Cyber Monday. Five courses, all for one ridiculous low price. You're going to get the beginning Bootcamp course for ukulele, one of my best-selling courses, perfect if you're just kind of starting off or need a refresher on the basics. Master the Ukulele 1, that is my best-selling course. Thousands of people have taken that course. Master the Ukulele 2 course as well, kind of the next step if you're a little bit more of an intermediate player. Now, these aren't even available for sale. I'm going to give you 2 of my best-selling workshops. One is a beginning music theory workshop, perfect workshop, 2-hour workshop on the music theory, a little bit of music reading, just all the things you need to know on ukulele. 2, the second workshop is called Dominate the Major Scales. 2-hour workshop. I'm going to tell you all about major scales, how to use them all over the neck, how to solo, how to improvise, how to write your own melody as well. All 5 of those, one low price, $7, only for Cyber Monday. It's going to end tonight at midnight. Just click the link below. Grab these courses because they will never be this low again. Anyways, I look forward to seeing you inside those courses.